Hello and welcome to this episode on adding a payment with Enterpryze. I'm Archie from Enterpryze, and in this session we will cover adding an incoming payment from your customer. So let's get you started and increase your cash flow for your business. In banking, you will see you have two payment options: outgoing for your suppliers and incoming for your customers. Let's look at adding an incoming payment and press to create a new incoming payment. The first thing that you'll want to do is to select your customer from the drop-down list, enter any remarks or references, and update the dates. These dates will default to today, but can be changed here. And then for foreign customers, you can simply change the exchange rate in here. Next, we're going to want to select our invoices. We can come down to our list of open invoices down here and select one or multiple from this list. Tick to assign the full amount, or enter a value in the box to do a partial payment. Next, we want to come further up. The value of the payment amount has been filled in automatically, and we want to select our payment method. Bank transfer, cash, check, or split payments will be the defaults for your organization. As an example, I will select bank transfer. The amount is entered automatically, and my transfer account has been assigned automatically based on my defaults for the organization. But you can change this here if needed. Press OK to accept it and press Save. Your payment will pre-process, the invoices will be closed, and now you are ready to do bank reconciliations. Thanks for watching.